Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. We were looking for a sleep machine because my daughter has a really hard time falling asleep and staying asleep. So we found this one from Zonpor and I'm really loving it so far. Everything works really well. To show you a few details of the sleep machine, it has a lot of different options. It has an on-off button, of course, and then it has lighting that you can add. You can set so that there's no light at all, or you can leave a variety of different colors on. It also has an option to increase the volume or decrease. And what's really lovely about this one is it actually has over 30 different sounds that you can try out. I really like the white noise or the brown noise functions. My daughter really likes the ocean as well as the raindrops. But it's got tons of different options. I really like that it has a timer, and that works really well so that it shuts off automatically. So if you're looking for a sleep machine, I would highly recommend this one. I love the compact size as well as figuring out the buttons. It was really simple. The pink, and there's also a really pretty blue color that I like. And I really like the lighting feature. That's a nice add-on, as well as a variety of different sounds. Go with this and you'll be asleep in no time, but that's just my point of view.